Where are you guys going? You don't like these trees? Okay. Nico, how about that big tree? What do you guys think of this tree? Is this going to be the one?
Not good.
Rihanna, you like this tree?
She wants to take a picture. She said she.
I know.
Going up the mountain.
You want to keep looking, Coco?
Yeah.
Oh, wipe out. Nice, Rihanna.
I see it.
You want to see it?
The baby.
You guys found one? Which one? This one? It's ugly. What's wrong, buddy? Coco, I think we found our tree. Be careful. When it's halfway, Isa, let us know that we're going to start recording.
محل ليس الدرس نقرن.
Yeah, don't record now. It'll take maybe a couple minutes.
He said he's in the middle.
Oh, okay, go. Keep going. Recording?
Ready?
Yeah.
Recording? Here it comes. This is it.
But only you.
Go turn around and get him too.
Why don't you guys take a turn?
It's almost done. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why is it pointing there?
Huh? No, I stop it. I stop. I have to watch her. The car is coming.
Okay.
Ah.
There it comes. I see it. Here it comes. Timber! Yay! All right. Whoa, it's getting heavy. Oh, man. Timber! Yay! Okay, here it comes. Timber, Rihanna, watch out. Move, baby. Wow, look at that. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it. Just kidding.